Students, FIBSC semester first, ZO 111, paper first, animal diversity first. I am Dr. S. J. Suryavanshi, Head Department of the Zoology, Chhatrapati Shivaji College, Srigonda. We will start chapter number 5, and the title of this chapter is the phylum Porifera. In this chapter, we will see the introduction to phylum Porifera, classification of phylum Porifera up to classes, with two examples of each class. Canal system in sponges, Ascon, Leucon, and Ragon type. Skeletal in sponges, spicules its types. Regeneration in sponges, economic importance of phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera, sponges, introduction. Animals of phylum Porifera are commonly known as the sponges. Sponges and the porifera derived from the Latin word porus. Porus meaning pores, and feri means bearing. Sponges are pore-bearing animals. Body of sponges is made up of cells, no tissue or organs found in their body. Sponges are aquatic, sedentary, filter-feeding metazoans with single layer of the flagellated cells. Silent features of the phylum Porifera. All sponges are aquatic, mostly marine or freshwater, and sedentary. Attached to some submerged substratum. Body of the sponges are multicellular, few tissues, no organs. Shape of the sponges are variable. Some are plant-like, flower-like, and tubular and face-like. Symmetry of the sponges shows the radial or the asymmetrical symmetry. Ostia and ossiculum present, cellular organization is there, and mouth is absent. There is intracellular digestion. Water current in the body is maintained by a system, that is the canal system. Internal and is made up of spicules and the spongin fibers. Skeleton is internal and is made up of spicules and spongin fibers. There is a cavity. Cells and tissues surround a water-filled space. Water-filled cavity is known as the spongocell. The locomotion is absent in the sponges. There is a great power of the regeneration. Hermaphrodite are the unisexual animals. Sexual or the asexual. Internal and the cleavage is holoblastic. Indirect development with the ciliated larva, amphiblastula. There is a classification of the phylum Porifera. Class Calcarea. Examples are Leucosolia or the Cycon. Class 2 Hexactinellida. For example, Epilectella or the Hyloneuma. Class 3 Demospongi. Example is the Chalina and the Spongilla. We will see the class first, Calcarea. It is called as the calcareous sponges. Calcareous sponges. Habit. All members are marine, single, live in colony. Cylindrical body or face-shaped, radial symmetry. Endoskeleton is composed from the spicules and made up of a calcium carbonate. Spicules, monoaxon, triradiate and tetraradiate. Canal system, axon, ascon, cycon and simple or leucon type. Choanocyte cells are large, ossiculum small, surrounded by the spicules. Asexual reproduction by budding. Larval stage, free swimming or the amphiblastula. Examples are Leucosolia, Cycon, and the Scipha, Clathrina, Grantia, etc. Class 2 Hexactinellida. Glass sponges. Flower. Body is a flower like. face like, cylindrical, funnel shaped body, radial symmetry. Spicules are composed from the silica. Spicules hexactine, smaller microscleres and larger megascleres. Choanocytes are small and limited to flagellated chamber. Canal system, if Euryphilus leucan type. Examples are the Epilectella, Venus flower basket, Hyloneuma is the glass sponge. This is the figure of the Epilectella and the Hyloneuma. Class 3, Demospongia. Demosponges body is compact, massive and brightly colored. Endoskeleton may be formed by siliceous spicules or spongin fibers. Choanocytes are restricted to spherical chambers. Spicules have 1 to 4 rays. Canal system, aphodal or diplodal, Euryphilus leucan type. Asexual reproduction by gemmules. Larval stages, stereogastula. Examples are the